Meaning of filmmaking.
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 Filmmaking. Filmmaking refers to the process of creating movies from ideas or stories using various techniques such as camera work, lighting, sound design, and editing. The end result of filmmaking is a visual and audio representation of a story or idea, presented through the medium of film. The goal is to engage and entertain the audience, evoke emotions, convey messages, and provide a unique perspective on the world. Successful filmmaking requires a creative vision, technical skill, collaboration, and dedication to the craft.